Peace tech lovers, TechTube here back with a new video. Today I will teach you how to control your PC, whether it's a desktop computer or a laptop, remotely from anywhere in the world. Basically using any device you can use Google Chrome browser on. What is surprisingly good about this method is how easy it is to set up. Also how fast you can connect to your PC in literally a few seconds. So what you need first is a stable internet connection, and then you go to your Google Chrome browser and search Chrome Remote Desktop, or use the direct link www.remotedesktop.google.com, or use the link in the description box below. After you have opened the link, you click on Get Started and a pop-up will show up for you to install the extension on your PC. So you hit install and continue the setup process. Now, after your install is done, you can move to the next step, which is adding a new device. So you're gonna choose a name for the current PC. For the sake of the example here, I'm gonna name it Home. After that, you click Next and set up a PIN number, which can be a minimum of 6 numbers. Then you click Start. Now you have created a remote desktop server that you can connect to using any other devices that support Google Chrome remote extension. But for today's video, our main focus is smartphones. So if you have an Android or iOS, you can follow me by going to your relative app store. You also need to make sure that you are signed in using the same Google account you used on your PC. After that, you search for Chrome Remote Desktop and you simply install the app on your phone. Once the installing is complete, you can open the app and it automatically should have your device showing up as Home or whatever name you chose. You click that and enter the same PIN number you added previously, and voila! You managed to establish connection with your PC remotely using your smartphone in just a couple clicks. And as you can see, the user interface is identical to what you can see on your PC. It's only broadcasting the same thing you see on your PC monitor, so do not expect anything to be different. Now flip your phone and you should be able to have the same view as your computer. What's interesting here is the option to control your mouse pointer, as you have a mixed function between irregular mouse functions and a touch screen. Also the option to pinch to zoom in and out, and if you drag from the top and click on the mouse icon, you can toggle between a touch or regular pointer. So by tapping the screen, you activate left click, and by touching and holding with 2 fingers at the same time, you activate right click. And finally, for typing, you drag from the top and switch to your keyboard, and you can start typing instantly. As you can see, it's easy to use and very straightforward setup. Now bear in mind, if you're going to connect to any of your devices, it has to be powered on and connected to the internet already. Otherwise, you won't be able to establish connection using the app on your phone. So that's it guys for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.